What is wrong with you? Get up. You can do this. Have faith in yourself. Get up, grind it out, keep making videos.
I can do it. I really can. I'm gonna make it. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Midlife Crisis. For those of you that are new to the channel, make sure you follow us on Instagram at Midlife Crisis. So I have been an automotive YouTuber for just over a year now, and it has been a journey. We've had success, we've had failures, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you my top 3 fails as an automotive YouTuber. My first failure as an automotive YouTuber was thinking that I could just go to car meets. I can go to Cars and Coffee and just film every cool car that I walk across. Well, that's a little bit of a misconception. Everybody and their mom is walking around, they're getting in your shot, they're talking over what you're trying to say, you got background music. My very first car meet that I tried to film, they had a DJ. And so I'm walking around, filming the cars, telling everybody what I think about them, and YouTube's like, copyright infringement. So you can't really have your audio and background voices and music and have a decent video for the user. So although it is a great idea to think that a car meet is a good place to make an automotive YouTube video, it really isn't the best. What you should be doing instead is go out, meet people. If they got a cool car, go talk to them. There's nothing more than anybody likes to do than talk about their cars. Meet them, get their contact information, tell them you would be really interested in shooting their car, learning more about it, hearing their story, and get that one-on-one time with that car and give them a dedicated video. It's gonna be a higher quality content, and you're gonna be able to control the environment and make an overall better video. Failure number 2. If you've noticed in my first 30-some videos, my subject matter is all over the place. I've got car meets, car mods, car reviews. Pick something and stick with it. Although you want to narrow it down, you want to find what both you as well as your viewers are passionate about, you're gonna have to go through 30 to 50 videos to try to figure that out. It's not a bad thing. I say it's a failure, but it's something you have to go through. Now, having done it, I feel that as I've created more videos, I've gotten better, I've narrowed down on what I'm doing, and my audience is enjoying it more. So don't make the same mistake that I did. Experiment. Go 3 or 4 videos in, pick a subject, create some great content, and see how the viewers like it. If there's specific content that you're interested in that you like, make sure you comment down below. Help drive the channel in the direction that you'd like to see. The number 3 failure, don't be a poser. Be honest with yourself and your viewers. There's no way in God's green earth that you know everything about cars. I don't care how much research I do. I don't care how many people I talk to about the subject. If you're gonna do a car video, you're gonna do a car modification, be honest with your viewers. If this is the first time you're doing a video on this subject, then say it's the first time you're doing it. My recommendation to you guys is have fun, be passionate about it, but be honest. Your viewers will appreciate it more, and your content and your personality are gonna show more in your videos. So don't be a poser. So now that we've reviewed my top 3 fails as an automotive YouTuber, let me take you deep into YouTube Studio and tell you how we ended 2021. So in 2021, Midlife Carisis had just short of 70,000 views. We ended the year at 69,489 views. We did 24 videos. It basically breaks down to 2 per month. It's not a big number, but I'm proud of it. We ended the year with 433 subscribers. There's 433 people out there that think that this channel is worth subscribing to and watching. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you for your subscription, your viewership. It really does mean the world to me. I guess what I'll tell you at this point, as I've gone through this first year, you are going to find yourself gravitating towards the numbers, okay? You can't help it. You wanna grow, you wanna be bigger, you wanna be better. But what I will tell you, from my experience anyway, is that you need to focus on yourself, your passion, and your content. Make your videos better based upon what your viewers' feedback is, and that's gonna come out in what you create, how you talk to them, your presence in front of the camera. So although I'm proud of the numbers from 2021, I really have got a few goals for 2022. Consistency on my uploads, 1 video per week, 12 months, 52 weeks. So next year, make sure you call me out on that if I don't meet that goal. This YouTube adventure, this automotive midlife crisis that I find myself in, is going to be an adventure that I'll always remember. So thank you for an incredible 2021. It means the world to me that all of you have liked, subscribed, commented on my It means the world to me that all of you have subscribed, liked, commented, shared my videos. It really means the world to me. Thank you so much for a great 2021, and here's to an incredible 2022.